Well, hello there, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be filming a what I eat in a day. I'm also going to be cooking dinner, and I'm also going to be doing a demo or a tryout of this product right here. This is from Juniper Life is the brand. It is called Empower. It is a instant willpower. It blocks sweet taste, stops sugar cravings, prevents stress eating. This little bottle here is 60 servings, and you're actually supposed to spray it 2 to 3 times in your mouth any times that cravings occur. So this is actually like an all natural product here with natural ingredients. No chemicals were used to make this, and I'm gonna be testing this out tonight. They recommend that you try it with a regular food first just to see if it alters just a normal food, and then to test it and eat something sweet. Really excited about it. I'm kind of scared because I don't know, is it gonna work? Another thing you might not know about me is I'm a huge sweet eater. Like, that is a major issue for me. I could eat candy and sweets all day and not even care about touching food. Like, girl, birthday cake, brownies, candies, cupcakes, you name it, I'm like huge on sweets. And like, honest to God, I could just eat sweets and not even care about touching food. That's how bad I am with sweets. So this one extract actually says it blocks sweet taste for 3 to 4 hours. The guarana seed is an instant mental lift. Whatever this is, improves mood. Biotin helps maintain healthy blood glucose levels. There's another ingredient in here that manages appetite, and the peppermint oil in there freshens breath. They also sent me some other informational papers here, as well as what looks to be maybe some vitamins. There's 3 capsules and it's a sample pack. And so these just talk about how to feel better in 90 days. If you're experiencing lack of energy, difficulty losing weight, digestion issues, poor concentration, things like that. I'm pretty excited about this, so stay tuned towards the end of the video to see if this Empower stuff works. So for breakfast, I am making myself some scrambled eggs. Just whipping my little eggs up. I just added a little salt and pepper. I'm also going to be making a piece of toast using my favorite bread. For my toast, I'm going to be adding some Marmite, but if you're going to be using Marmite, you have to put a little butter on your toast first, and then you add the Marmite after. Not everybody likes Marmite, but I am crazy over it, so I eat it all the time. I just think it is delicious. For a snack, I'm having raw almonds and a string cheese. And for lunch, I'm having a spring roll that I actually got the day before. Well, the order came with 2, so I ate one and saved one, and I'm just dipping it in the peanut sauce. For dinner, we are having burger patties with cheese, and this is all the ingredients I'm going to be using, and we're also going to be dipping the burgers in some A1 sauce. I'm also going to be making some baked potatoes and some garlic noodles. So for my burger patties, I kind of just make them the same way that I would make my meatloaf, with salt and pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, eggs, Italian breadcrumbs, and also Worcestershire sauce. Yeah, don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, I just put that all in the meat, mix it together, and make some little patties. I'm making my potatoes in the microwave because ain't nobody got time to wait 3 hours for the oven method. Okay, girl, few minutes in the microwave, you're good to go. So my garlic noodles are really easy to make. You just pick whatever kind of pasta you want. We're using egg noodles, and then you just add in lots of butter, some salt, garlic powder obviously, and some pepper. Mix it all together and voila, you're done, and they are delicious. Alan is adding some shredded cheese on top after the burgers are done, and the food is done, and I am starving. I am ready to dig in. For the baked potatoes, we just added butter, sour cream, and chives.
That's a lot of potato.
Okay, so I'm going to first try this while eating regular food to see if it alters my taste in any way with just regular food. Wait, spray 2 to 3 times into mouth anytime cravings occur. Okay, so the first initial spray in my mouth, it had almost like a menthol taste, almost like a cough drop. But what's really surprising is that taste actually went away and I don't taste that menthol-like flavor. So I'm going to test and see if this alters my taste anyway with regular food. Okay, hold up. The burger tastes the same. It still tastes good, so that's really cool. But this is supposed to only make you not want to eat sweets. Okay, so my husband suggested that I try to see if it would alter the way a Coke tastes, so I'm gonna try that. Oh my God!
What?
There's no Coke flavor!
What do you mean there's no Coke flavor?
There's no flavor! Like, I swear, it's like carbonated water.
Are you serious?
I'm not even playing. That is so weird.
What?
That is so weird. No, that is weird.
So you can't crave what you can't taste, right?
Exactly. Or if, when you get a craving, you want something sweet so bad, you spray that in your mouth, and then when you taste like a donut or something, it's not gonna taste like anything, so you're not even gonna care about it. That's so weird.
It's so cool, right?
That's pretty cool. That is something I need for sure. Oh my God. So next, I'm gonna try something sweet, but I'm gonna give myself a few minutes because I did just eat. I'm gonna clean the kitchen and I'll get right back to you. Okay, so it worked with the Coke, and now I wanna see if it works with something that's actually sweet. So earlier at the grocery store, I picked up these dark chocolate, it's like a dark chocolate bar. It's got cinnamon and glazed pecans. Now I know a lot of people would probably say, oh, dark chocolate's bitter, but I already ate some of this and it's delicious, trust me. It is super sweet, and the glazed pecans in here just makes it yes, so good. I already ate a few pieces, or probably more than what you should eat, okay? So I know that it tastes really good, so I'm gonna see if this is still active in my mouth because I did clean the kitchen and stuff. A little bit of time has passed. So let's go. That is so weird. It's like my tongue has nothing. That's weird. So weird. My tongue has no taste of any kind of weird. It's like a blank flavor, like there's nothing there. So I'm actually really impressed with this product, and I am shocked, honestly. This is crazy. It actually works, and it worked better than I thought it would. I kind of was thinking, you know, there's like no way nothing would take the flavor away from something sweet in my mouth. I really didn't even think that was possible, but this is insane because no taste whatsoever. That Coke was like carbonated water, literally. There was no sweet, no flavor of Coke. It was insane. And the chocolate, there was just a little bit, maybe, I know you don't have taste buds on the gum of your mouth, like the inside of your cheeks, but like I could kind of taste something there, which actually maybe could have been salt if there was salt in there. Is that possible? Maybe. But there was no sweet, no sugar, no chocolate flavor, nothing. It was kind of like I was just eating nothing, honestly. It's crazy. This stuff is crazy, I'm telling you. Juniper Life, Empower, Instant Willpower. If you got problems with sweets, girl, you need to try this because I'm telling you, as a sweet eater, this stuff works and it's crazy. And if I use this whenever I'd have a craving, I would literally have no interest in putting something sweet in my mouth because it would be completely pointless because there's no flavor. Pointless. Absolutely pointless. Anyways, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel and leave me some comments down below and give this video a like, and I'll see you next time.